So, what are the Amazon seller identity verification problems? Every day I am contacted by so many people about Amazon seller identity verification issues. Therefore, I decided to make this video to address why your Amazon seller identity verification is not working. My name is Sanya and I have been selling on Amazon FBA for about 5 years and more now. I help a lot of students throughout the world in their Amazon FBA journey. I have been going to take all my experiences and experiences of my students that are 6 and 7 figure sellers as well, and I am going to put them all into my videos. So if you also want to learn the best proven methods to make you financially free, then do subscribe to my channel and watch all my videos. So if you are facing Amazon seller identity verification problems and you don't really know how to solve them, then this video is definitely for you. So guys, let's get to it. Guys, before we start, let me tell you that I have an amazing video on Amazon seller identity verification process that will help you to get 100% accepted fast, step by step. So here, make sure to watch that first. There are 12 common issues that sellers face when they make Amazon Seller Central account. So guys, the typical Amazon seller identity verification issues are as follows. Number 1, utility bill does not match the address in Seller Central. Number 2, business license address does not match address in Seller Central or utility bill. Number 3, national ID card, driver license, passport does not match one or more of the documents sent. Number 4, phone numbers and fax numbers should be consistent throughout the documents. Number 5, if an invoice was sent in along with the other paperwork, it also does not match the business name and address. So it must be the exact match down to the letters and spaces. Number 6 guys, the invoice sent in is not an invoice, rather it's like a receipt or pro forma invoice. Number 7, your name does not match across all the documents. This may be a misspelling or drop letters or even a pre-marriage name that was never changed. Number 8, bank information that you sent is an online screen print. Amazon wants to see what would be mailed to you if you were getting it mailed. This is normally available as a downloadable PDF and in no screenshots. Number 9, you are creating an account or having opened a bank account in country that Amazon does not permit to sell on Amazon. So you must check it before that. Number 10, you are attempting to use a prepaid card. Amazon does not accept Pioneer cards for seller accounts. Number 11, other documents that you are providing are online screen prints and what you are sending is not a mailable document. Accepted formats are PNG, TIFF, JPEG or PDF. Number 12 guys is your country is not listed in Amazon accepted country list. Guys, do check my video here about the Amazon seller identity verification documents where I talk about the essential documents in detail. Also guys, comment below and let me know the issues you face and I will try to solve all your issues and get your account accepted 100% on Amazon. You might want to consider getting a professional account over an individual account as you can get more support. It is also important that you resolve any issues and supply all the requested documentation because if your account becomes suspended, it can take anywhere from a few days or to a month or 2 for your account to be reinstated after submitting the requested information. If you are resubmitting documents, you need to be patient and will be persistent enough. You will eventually be reinstated if you submit the proper documents they require. The reason why some sellers are not reinstated is that they usually cannot supply the requested information or just resubmitting the same information over and over again, even though it does not meet the documentation requirements. Guys, if you are liking my content, then please subscribe to my channel and do check the description down below for all the other useful video and cheat sheets I have for you. I have all the Amazon seller account videos for you to watch and learn from. Guys, I recommend establishing your new seller account as soon as possible so that you will have time to resolve your Amazon seller identity verification problems before they come up. Many new sellers make the mistake of waiting until they are ready to ship their product into Amazon. You need to verify your Amazon account before you start to order any shipment. If you want to know how to open an Amazon Seller Central account step by step, then do watch this video here. I will also give the link in the description below. So do go and check it down below. Sometimes sellers do get suspended by having multiple seller accounts. Amazon detects that a seller have a second account by their device ID, IP address, credit card, bank account, company name, billing or shipping address, and phone number. Therefore, it is not recommended, not at all, to go for multiple Amazon Seller Central accounts until you have separate information than your previous account. But guys, I have a solution for you. If by any reason you want to open second Amazon seller account, then do check my video here where I will tell you how to open your Amazon seller account without getting blacklisted. Moreover guys, I just want to tell one thing, that if you are sending invoices, then make sure to send the valid one. It should have the word invoice. Number 2 would be like supply information, name, phone number, address, website should be there. Buy information like name, phone number, address, website must match the Amazon info. And then it would be invoice date, typically must be issued in the last 365 days. Item description, that is full description of each item. And then it comes the item quantities and the total value of all goods covered by the invoice. Guys, always make sure that 100% every letter, space, comma, period are exactly the same as your bank account. Make sure that both your Amazon account and your bank statement are same word by word. Okay guys, if you have learned about the Amazon seller identity verification problems in this video, then I would appreciate that you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It's very important to me. And if you have any questions, be sure to ask them in the comment section below. I am here to answer all for you. If you would like to start an Amazon FBA journey step by step but you don't know how, then no need to worry. You should download this free Amazon FBA cheat sheet here. You will find a link on how to download this free, incredible, life-changing cheat sheet in the video description down below. Yes guys, it's down for you. Just go check it. Guys, keep watching. I have handpicked this video for you to watch right now, and I will see you in this video guys. See ya!